Cushions are one of the simplest ways to transform any room. Yet most people don't realize how powerful they are in redefining the entire aesthetic of a space. A sofa, a bed, a reading corner, even an outdoor sitting area. The right cushions can change everything. And the best part? DIY cushions let you create designs that are completely personal, unique, and perfectly matched to your style. When you think about cushions, think beyond just a square pillow. Think texture, think patterns, think creativity. A cushion can be fluffy, minimal, bold, soft, patterned, embroidered, tufted, or completely out of the box. It can tell a story, it can match your mood, or it can be the highlight of your room. One of the most popular DIY cushion concepts today is mixing textures. Imagine a smooth velvet cushion paired with a chunky knitted one, or a satin cushion next to a faux fur accent pillow. These contrasts instantly add depth and richness to the room, without needing any major decor changes. And when you're making the cushions yourself, you can mix and match any fabric you want, even repurpose old clothes, blankets, or pieces of fabric you love. Then come themed cushion sets. These are incredibly trending right now. You can create a full theme just with cushions. A boho theme with macrame and tassels, a coastal theme with blues and whites, a luxury theme with gold accents, or a modern minimal theme with clean lines and neutrals. The beauty of DIY is that you're not limited by what's available in stores. You're creating exactly what you imagine. And there's something so satisfying about making cushions that look expensive, but cost almost nothing. A simple strip of embroidered lace, a set of pom-poms, a piece of printed fabric, or even a stitched-on pattern can elevate a plain cushion into something you'd find in a boutique. Many DIY creators use leftover fabric scraps to add borders, shapes, panels, or artistic patches to plain cushions. These little details make the cushion feel custom-made and designer-level. Another trending idea is statement cushions. These are cushions that become the star of your decor. Oversized round cushions, knot cushions, flower cushions, cloud cushions, or shaped cushions like hearts, stars, or animals. These look adorable in kids' rooms, reading corners, nurseries, and cozy home spaces. People love them because they add character and personality without overwhelming the room. And then there's print cushions. Cushions that showcase art, quotes, names, photos, or patterns. With easy printing techniques available today, you can turn any design into a cushion cover. Imagine cushions with your favorite inspirational lines, travel memories, or even abstract art. These make amazing gifts too, personalized and heartfelt. Let's not forget seasonal cushions. Just like people switch decor for holidays or seasons, cushions follow the same pattern. Warm earthy tones for autumn, cozy textured cushions for winter, bright tropical prints for summer, pastel colors for spring. Seasonal DIY cushion sets make your home feel fresh every few months without needing a full makeover. And maybe the most magical part of DIY cushions is how they change the feeling of a room. A plain sofa can feel warm and inviting with just 3 fluffy cushions. A simple bed instantly looks styled when you add layered cushions in different sizes. A boring corner becomes a cozy little retreat with just 1 floor cushion and a matching throw. That's the power of cushions, small pieces that create big impact. DIY cushions give you full freedom to play with colors, materials, styles, and creative experiments. They are affordable, beautiful, and endlessly customizable. And whether you're decorating your home, making cushions as gifts, or even turning them into a small business, the possibilities are limitless. So the next time you look at your living room or bedroom and feel like something is missing, try adding DIY cushions. Mix textures, add patterns, create themes, experiment with shapes, and watch how your space transforms instantly. Cushions are more than decor. They're comfort, personality, and creativity stitched together. And the best part, you made them yourself.